Question: what is a UI policy? Answer is: UI policies are alternatives to client scripts. It can be used to set a field as mandatory, read-only, and visible on a form. You can also use UI policy for dynamically changing a field on a form. Question: what is a data policy? Answer is: data policy checks the mandatory and read-only of a field whenever a record is inserted or updated through a web service or import set. For example, if a mandatory field in the incoming record, from import set or web service, is empty, then the data policy will not allow inserting that record into the table. Question: what is the difference between UI policy and data policy? Answer is: UI policy acts when a record is inserted or updated through a ServiceNow UI.eServiceNow forms, while data policy acts whenever a record is inserted or updated into the database through any means. Question: what is a client script? Answer is: client script sits on the client side, the browser, and run there. Only types of client script are onload, onSubmit, onChange, onCellEdit. Question: how can you cancel a form submission through client script? Answer is: in the onSubmit function, return false. Function onSubmit, return false. Question: what is a business rule? Answer is: a business rule is server-side scripting that executes whenever a record is inserted, updated, deleted, displayed, or queried. The key thing to keep in mind while creating a business rule is when and on what action it has to execute. You can run the business rule on display, on before, or on after of an action, insert, delete, update, is performed. Question: can you call a business rule through a client script? Answer is: yes, you can call a business rule through a client script by using Glide Ajax. Question: what is a Glide record? Answer is: Glide record is a Java class that is used for database operations instead of writing SQL queries. Question: what do you mean by data lookup and record matching? Answer is: data lookup and record matching feature helps to set a field value based on some conditions instead of writing scripts. For example, on incident forms, the priority lookup rules sample data automatically sets the incident priority based on the incident impact and urgency values. Data lookup rules allow specifying the conditions and fields where they want data lookups to occur. Question: what is an updated set? Answer is: an updated set is a group of customization. It captures the customization or configuration changes made by a user, and then these update sets can be moved from one instance to another. For example, if we made some configuration changes in our development environment and want some changes in our test environment, then we can capture all the changes in an updated set and can move this update set to the test environment instead of doing changes manually in a test environment. Question: what is a SYS_ID? Answer is: a unique 32-character GUID that identifies each record created in each table in ServiceNow. Question: what is LDAP integration and its use? Answer is: LDAP is the Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. It is used for user data population and user authentication. ServiceNow integrates with LDAP directory to streamline the user login process and to automate the creation of user and assigning them roles. Question: how to set a field unique on the table? Answer is: go to that respective field dictionary and set the unique checkbox to true.